Hello mates, welcome to a new episode of VBC DIY channel. This is episode number 17. Today I'm gonna show you how you can paint these bricks and hope you like it. Booyah! So what we're gonna use today is some white paint, green and brown. And I have here a roller and a brush. So I've started by putting a base coat and I choose it brown. You can choose any color and just play with it. In my case, now we're gonna start with the white color. We don't want too much paint on the roller, and we apply it just on top, so all the defects we're gonna use it actually as details. So we're gonna apply it just really soft on top of each defect. You can see already how the bricks pop out and they show, and it's lovely. Now we're gonna leave it to dry and then we're gonna put the next coat. It's gonna be green. The best thing in painting in this technique is that we are using all the defects as actually the beautiful details. So the future defects actually they will blend in and they're not going to be seen. So it's a really good thing. Makes that this job that we do now is gonna be even longer than a normal job that you're supposed to like make touch-ups. Or this wall is not gonna need any touch-up. It's gonna get old, even cracks they're not gonna be seen because it's already the design that actually makes it beautiful, full of defects. Now we're gonna use green. And now, to look more natural, we're gonna use some brown and just here and there tap it like it's got swiped or got dirty. And that's it. So if you like it how it turned out, let's say this was a test on just a small piece of a wall. If you like it, just continue doing the same thing everywhere. If you enjoyed the video, please share, subscribe and leave a comment if you have any question. See you next time.